Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics on the internet: how to make money from Instagram. If you're someone who loves scrolling through your feed and double tapping on your favorite posts, why not turn that passion into profit? Stick around because we're about to uncover some simple yet effective strategies that could help you start earning money on Instagram today. First things first, let's talk about building your Instagram presence. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, having a strong and engaging profile is key. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This could be anything from stunning photography to entertaining videos or insightful captions. The more authentic and relatable you are, the better. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of monetization. One of the easiest ways to start making money on Instagram is through sponsored posts. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can promote their products or services to a targeted audience. If you have a decent following and engagement rate, you could reach out to brands directly or sign up for influencer marketing platforms to find sponsorship opportunities. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The key here is to only promote products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche and audience's interests. Whether it's fashion, beauty, fitness, or tech, there's an affiliate program out there for almost every industry. If you have a talent or skill that you can teach others, why not create and sell your own digital products or online courses? Instagram is a great platform for showcasing your expertise and building a loyal following. Whether you're a photographer sharing editing tips, a chef sharing recipes, or a fitness enthusiast sharing workout routines, there's a demand for valuable content that people are willing to pay for. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of collaborations and shoutouts. Partnering with other influencers or brands in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and attract more followers. Additionally, offering shoutouts or featuring other accounts on your profile in exchange for a fee can be a quick and easy way to monetize your Instagram presence. So there you have it, folks. Making money from Instagram doesn't have to be complicated. With the right strategies and a little bit of creativity, you could turn your passion for social media into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. Remember, consistency is key, so keep posting, engaging with your audience, and exploring new opportunities. Who knows? You could be the next Instagram success story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to thrive in the digital age.